Hi, I'm going to go over how to play Christ is Risen from the Dead in the key of D. So we'll start with a D. Make sure you only strum 4 strings for your D chord. Test it to make sure you've got it sounding really good. Then practice picking up your 2 finger to make a D2. Okay, and then putting it back, because that happens a lot in the chorus, all right? Then you're going to be able to switch from that to G. Make sure you keep your 3rd finger down as the pivot finger right there. Plug in your pinky, put your 1 and 2 up top. Full G chord, unless you're using an easy G. You can just use your easy G. And then you can either go back to the D and then to the A, or you can use a B minor, like a cheater B minor, or the real B minor, whatever you want to use. And then go to the A. Okay, so the chorus is going to look like this. Go ahead and track with it for the first time through. D2, D2, 2, D2, D2, to G for 4 beats, then D2, then A, repeat. To your intro, which is D for 4 beats, G, 2, 3, 4, repeat that, D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's pretty easy intro or instrumental and chorus that you can go over. If you need to stop the video here and go back, go ahead and do that and repeat that until you have all those chords down really good. When I'm playing the D before the A, that's where you can plug in your B minor if you're able to play B minor. All right, next, let's learn the verse. You have a really long pattern of your D for 8 beats. Let no one caught it, sin remain. Then G for 8 beats. Side the back to D for 8 more beats. Fix our eyes upon the cross. G for 4. And run to him who. Now here you have a B minor. Showed great love. Or you could do showed great love. Just using your D or your regular B minor. Or you could do an easy B minor where you just use 4 strings. Showed great love. Okay? That B minor is just a 1, 2, 3, then 4. It's an A minor shape right here with the 1 finger and only use 4 strings. Showed great love. And then you go straight to a and bled for 2, G for 2, then A for 4 beats. Repeat that pattern. D2, G2, A2, 3, 4. Okay? So that's keeping it really simple. If you want to make it even more simple, count the extra beats, but don't strum them so you have time to prepare for your next chord in your left hand. All right, if you need to stop the video there and review over the verse, do that. And if not, let's play through the whole thing one time together. Let's do intro, verse 1, chorus, and then go back into the intro. I'm not going to do the bridge on this video today. All right? So here we go from the intro to verse, chorus, back into the intro. 1, 2, ready, play. D, 2, 3, 4 to G, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4 to G, 2, 3, and verse. that once and then do it again, you're well on your way to getting this whole song down. Awesome job.